this is Landry, co-owner of 7 Unrivaled Bow Ties, and today we are going to show you how to tie a self-tie bow tie. Let's get to it. So first, you'll take the bow tie and have it around your neck, kind of like you do a regular tie. Like a regular tie, you're going to make one side longer than the other before you tie it. Same applies here for the bow tie. You can either do the right side longer or you can do the left side longer. I like to do the left side, so that's what I'm going to show you today. So first, you'll cross the long side over the short side. Then you will bring that long side that's over the short side underneath that hole, and you will pull the two sides apart. So what this does is this tightens the neck. You don't want to have it too tight, but you don't want to have it too loose. It's whichever is comfortable for you. Next, you're gonna make your front bow. So be careful on this part because you don't want to make it one side too short and you don't want to make one side too long. You want to make sure both sides are as even as possible. All right, so what you do is take that other bow, and you're gonna bring it over the front bow that you're making. Now my right hand that's holding the front bow in place, I'm gonna take my middle finger and push that middle part up a little bit. What this does is it helps tighten the bow to help it stay in place. Then I'm gonna take my index finger and thumb and grab the other end of the bow, and I'm gonna snap the two ends closed. What this does is this forms a hole in the back, of which we're gonna make our back bow by pushing that end through that back hole. And what you'll do is you'll push it through that hole, and you can use your other hand to pull it through, but you'll want to make sure to stop in the middle because this does form the back bow, and you want your front and back bow to be as even as possible. So you take your other hand, you're gonna flip that side down to make that bow. So let's zoom in a little bit more so you'll have a better view of what I'm actually doing. As you can see, the hole there, you're gonna push that back bow, that end, you're gonna push it through that hole. And once you get it through the hole, you can take your other hand to pull the rest through. And like I said, you just want to make sure you stop in the middle because you want both bows to be even. And as you can see, that other end of the bow is flipped up, so you want to take that hand and flip it down. And like I said, this makes the back bow. So now that we've gotten this part done, all you have to do from now on to the end is you just fix it to your liking. So this is what takes the most time when making a bow tie. You just want to make sure your front bow and your back bow are as even as possible. You don't want the back bow sticking out more than the front bow, and you don't want the front bow too small to where the two ends of the back are sticking out as well. Also too, it depends on your preference of how you want your middle line to look. It could be, you can make it to where you can keep it scrunched up, or you can open it out a little bit to make it tight. But like I said, it's whatever is looks more comfortable for you. And after that, you're pretty much done. You just flip your flaps down on your shirt, and once again, you're just gonna make sure that the bow tie is as straight as possible, and then you're complete. And you can take those two fingers and snatch the middle down, and you're done.